This white Jaguar pulled up with sensors spinning on the top. It looked futuristic and honestly a little intimidating. This was my first time in a self-driving taxi. No driver, just me and Waymo. I booked the ride using the Waymo app. It felt just like Uber or Lyft, except this car drives itself. But inside, super clean and high-tech. A large touchscreen greeted me, confirming my destination. From the screen, I could control the music, adjust the air conditioning, and even request the car to pull over if I needed to stop early. It gave me a real sense of control without anyone behind the wheel. Waymo is owned by Alphabet, Google's parent company. They've been working on autonomous driving since 2009, with over 20 million miles driven on public roads. According to Waymo's 2023 safety data, their self-driving cars had not at fault crashes in over 1 million miles in Phoenix. For context, human drives average about 1.3 deaths per 100 million miles in the US. The car navigated smoothly, handling traffic lights, cyclists, pedestrians without missing a beat. Seeing the steering wheel move on its own was surreal, but the ride felt incredibly stable. When we arrived, the car announced we'd reached the destination and even wished me a good day. Then, it drove off on its own. Honestly, it felt like stepping into the future. Smooth, safe, and surprisingly human, even without a human driver. Would you try a self-driving taxi? Drop a comment below, and if you like this, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe.